Yo, what is going on, guys? This video is going to be showing you some updated Shein promo codes in 2026. I spent a long time searching Google and watching other YouTube videos, and most of the Shein coupon codes don't actually supply much at all, if they even work. Most of the codes for Shein have all sorts of terms and conditions around them, but I'm going to show you a Shein coupon code for $100 off your next order, and that is with no minimum spend, guys. So you can literally add $105 to your basket, for example, and add a $100 discount code for Shein that I'm going to show you. So what you need to do is basically just use your mobile internet browser to obtain this Shein coupon code. So make sure you use your mobile and go to www.crashcoupons.com. So let's go ahead, type it in exactly like this, Crash Coupons. And what it is, guys, this is a codes website. They don't only have shopping websites, they actually mostly have game codes. But they do have a page on here. So if you use the search bar where it says search here, and there's a pointing finger, just type in Shein. And this is the codes page. There's a few different codes, but the one that I'm focusing on for this video is the $100 Shein promo code. So this is literally going to remove $100 off your order when you apply it into your basket or at checkout. And these are limited codes. You can only use these codes once, guys. I did this morning, so I won't be able to do it again. And these codes, basically, you're going to need to unlock your code, guys. It basically limits one code per person. Obviously, $100 promo code with no strings attached is pretty desirable. So as you can see, it says your coupon code is ready and will be revealed after verification. So you do need to complete a quick human verification, which is completely normal. So click on this button, and you're just going to follow the instructions on this page here. Long story short, you just need to complete 2 of the 3 tasks below to unlock your code from Crash Coupons, and that basically verifies you're not a robot looking to steal all of the codes. So you're going to have a list of tasks. They're all completely free. You need to choose 2 of them and make sure you read the instructions to complete each one. So yeah, they're really easy things like installing and opening mobile apps, playing games, and answering surveys and stuff. Just follow the instructions, and if you complete 2 of those, it's going to send you back to this page on Crash Coupons, and your Shein promo code will be fully revealed. So the full code will be shown. You can add at least $100 into your basket, apply the code, and yeah, that is going to save you a bunch of money. So that is it. Go to Crash Coupons and find the Shein promo codes page, guys, by searching for the Shein page here, and just select the $100 off code. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like and subscribe if you did, and I'll see you in the next video.